Welcome back to Motor Vision, the channel where we bring you the latest, most thrilling updates from the world of performance cars, supercars, and everything that gets your adrenaline rushing on four wheels. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of car enthusiasts, because today we're diving into one of the most anticipated American muscle cars of all time, the all-new next generation 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This beast has just been officially unveiled. And trust me when I say, it is redefining what a muscle car can be. Get ready because this one's going to blow your mind. Let's set the stage. The Shelby GT500 has always been the crown jewel of the Mustang lineup. The halo model that brings raw power, track-focused engineering, and a street presence that turns heads anywhere it goes. From the original Shelby Mustangs of the 1960s to the modern iterations that dominated drag strips and track circuits, the GT500 badge has carried with it an aura of respect. And now Ford has taken that legacy, sharpened it, modernized it, and unleashed something that might just be the most advanced Shelby ever created. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 builds on the platform of the 7th generation Mustang, but this isn't just a facelift or a tuned-up variant. It's a complete reimagining of what the ultimate pony car can be in a world where performance, aerodynamics, and technology have become just as important as brute force. The design alone speaks volumes. At first glance, the car still screams Mustang: long hood, fastback roofline, aggressive stance, but the details are what truly set it apart. The front fascia is redesigned with a massive, open-mouth grille that feeds air into the beastly engine bay, flanked by sharper LED lighting that gives it an almost predatory glare. The hood features functional vents larger than ever before, designed to extract heat and optimize airflow. Wide-body fenders hug enormous performance tires, and the rear is dominated by a carbon fiber spoiler and quad exhaust tips that practically dare you to rev the engine. But this car isn't just about looking mean, it's about delivering numbers that make you sit up straight. At its heart lies the next evolution of Ford's 5.2-liter supercharged V8, nicknamed the Predator X. This engine has been tuned and refined to push out a staggering 850 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. That's right, Ford isn't playing games here. They've created a muscle car that not only competes with the likes of Dodge's Demon 170, but also challenges European exotics in terms of sheer acceleration. The 2026 GT500 rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds with a top speed surpassing 210 miles per hour. Now you might think all that power would be uncontrollable, but this is where Ford has truly elevated the Shelby GT500. They've integrated advanced chassis tuning, adaptive suspension, and a new generation of the MagnaRide system that reads the road and adjusts in milliseconds. Add in massive carbon ceramic brakes, sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and an electronic limited slip differential, and you've got a car that's as comfortable carving corners on a racetrack as it is tearing down a drag strip. Inside, the GT500 doesn't compromise. Step into the cabin and you're greeted with a blend of classic muscle car aggression and modern digital luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a 13.2-inch digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show everything from track telemetry to navigation. The infotainment is powered by Ford's latest Sync 5 system, featuring seamless smartphone integration, wireless updates, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for when you want to enjoy something other than the roar of the V8. Recaro sport seats hold you firmly in place during aggressive driving, while high-quality materials, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the atmosphere to supercar levels. What's also fascinating is how Ford has managed to blend tradition with innovation. While purists will be thrilled to know a 6-speed manual transmission is available for those who crave the old-school connection, the car also comes with a lightning-fast dual-clutch 7-speed automatic option. This means drivers get to choose between a raw, mechanical feel or blistering precision shifts, depending on their preference. But Ford didn't stop at performance and design. They've also looked at the future of performance cars, and the 2026 Shelby GT500 reflects that. The car incorporates lightweight construction, with liberal use of carbon fiber and aluminum to improve handling and efficiency. Aerodynamics were meticulously engineered, with active aero elements that adjust in real time to balance downforce and drag. Even the exhaust system has been re-engineered, providing not only an earth-shaking growl but also customizable sound modes that let you go from stealthy in the city to thunderous on the track. And speaking of the track, Ford has made sure that the new GT500 is as much at home at Daytona or Nürburgring as it is in your driveway. They've developed a track pack that includes a larger rear wing, upgraded suspension tuning, lightweight wheels, and additional cooling systems to handle sustained high-performance driving. This means serious enthusiasts can take their Shelby straight from the dealership to the circuit and know they're driving something truly competitive. Let's talk about the cultural significance for a moment. The Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just another car, it's a symbol of American performance engineering. In 2026, where electric cars are becoming more common and regulations are tightening, Ford's decision to unleash such a ferocious, unapologetically loud gasoline-powered muscle car is a statement. It's a reminder that while the future may indeed be electric, the spirit of the muscle car isn't going anywhere just yet. Ford has managed to create a machine that respects its heritage while pushing boundaries for the future. Of course, with all this performance and innovation, you might be wondering about the price. While Ford hasn't released the exact numbers yet, industry insiders estimate the starting price will be around $95,000, with fully loaded track pack variants pushing well past $20,000. That places it in the territory of some serious performance cars from Europe and Japan. But Ford is betting on the Shelby name, raw power, and iconic design to make this car more than worth it. And honestly, looking at what it offers, it's hard to disagree. So what does this mean for car enthusiasts and the industry as a whole? It means the muscle car wars are far from over, with Dodge pushing out insane horsepower figures and Chevrolet working on its own performance icons. The GT500 is Ford's bold answer to anyone who doubts the Mustang's dominance. It's a car built for thrill seekers, collectors, and anyone who wants to own a piece of living automotive history. In summary, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is everything we hoped it would be and more. It's aggressive, powerful, technologically advanced, and unapologetically American. From its jaw-dropping design to its mind-bending performance numbers, this car doesn't just carry the Shelby name, it honors it. And whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or someone who just appreciates incredible engineering, this car demands your attention. That wraps up today's deep dive into the brand new 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. What do you think about this beast? Do you think it has what it takes to stand toe-to-toe with Dodge and Chevy? Or even challenge European supercars on their turf? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Motor Vision, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars reshaping the future of performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.